If you love this Celtic knot headband as much as I do, well, let's sew one together. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. So, this is the third request from one of my audiences who sent me an email in Portuguese. I use Google Translate to communicate with my audiences. You might find me slow to respond to all the comments on my video. That's because I need spare time to translate all the comments as I only understand English, Bahasa, and Chinese. This Celtic knot headband, some people pronounce it as Celtic, is almost the same as the one I made in this video. You can click here to watch my previous video. Except this one has double Celtic knot. It's a bit complicated, but I'll try my best to explain. Without further ado, let's get started. Prepare a stretchy fabric. Wait, can you tell me the name of this stretchy fabric? I think every stretchy fabric is called knit fabric because it was created by interlocking yarns by means of needles. My most favorite one is jersey knit fabric. I've said this many times that when we are making something out of fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 6 inches or 15 centimeters. And then the length of this fabric is head circumference plus 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Wait, let me measure my head circumference. It's 56 centimeters. So 56 plus 20 centimeters, that's 76 centimeters, right? Yes, precisely, and you can always rewind this video and turn on the subtitle. It takes a lot of effort for me to insert subtitles into my videos, so make sure to use it. To determine the front side of fabric, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric. Stretchy fabric will curl toward the front side, so this is the front side. Fold the fabric with the front sides together. And sew this part. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. I'll use this knit stitch to sew the Celtic knot headband. If you don't have these sewing patterns, use a zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This allows us to stretch the fabric without breaking the sewing thread. Now turn the fabric inside out. Prepare 2 pieces of this. I'll refer this as the front side and this one as the back side. Place the fabric like this, with the back side here and the front side here. Twist the fabric. It's like a figure 8. Take another fabric, and we need to tie this to the first fabric by making another figure 8. Now the main fabric will be the second fabric, so when I say up, place the second fabric above the first fabric. When I say down, place the second fabric below the first fabric. Start from the middle here. Down. Put it up. Down. Up. And down. Now this part is quite complicated. Pay attention, I'll try my best to explain. Take this fabric, put it up. Going down, going up and down. So the back side here and the front side here. Now tighten the double Celtic knot. Bring all fabrics together. The arrangement of this fabric is exactly the same as the one I made in this video. You can click here to watch how I close the raw edges of the fabrics. So there are 4 layers of fabric. Pin the first 2 layers. Pin the middle. And last one, bring this fabric to here. Place the fabric with the front sides together. Stitch these parts. After this, open the fabric and place the fabrics together like this. This is the last pin. Stitch right at the center. When we stitch right at the center, we can barely see the sewing thread. Cut the excess fabric. Our double Celtic knot headband is finished! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this double Celtic knot headband tutorial, please like and share this video. If you hate this video, just hit the dislike button. Any questions, write in the comment below. And please support the channel by subscribing and ring the bell.